So update mga ka-taker, dito na tayo sa may gilid ng kalsada dito sa may Salvacion na Rosales, Pangasinan. Nag-start na mga ka-taker. So punta na tayo sa loob. Morning sir. So nandito tayo sa may boundary, nandito tayo sa may checkpoint ng Rosales. Sa bandaran yung arko ng Nueva Ecija. Morning sir. Recognition dito tag sa pa sir. Di elementary. Pang malamaji ko agad sir, graduation. Tataman. Ito tamin sir. So shout out kila sir dito sa may Salvacion. One sir, one. Shout out kila sir. Sige sir, nagpakasdayak tayo. Ito, nandito na tayo. First time natin dito sa campus ng Salvacion Elementary School. Malawak din mga ka-taker. So hahabol tayo sa Rahal Angay National mamaya. So shout out sa mga kasama natin dito. Sa gilid lang yung highway mga ka-taker, boom. Let's go, lapit tayo. Yung mga followers natin kahapon, yung mga idol natin, hindi ko alam kung nandito na sila. Ayan, shout out sa mga proud parents. So halo na pala. Halo na yung recognition day tapos yung graduation. Ay, oo. Nakakon na sila, oh. Sabay na pala talaga.
Most attentive award. 5th place in Rubik's Cube. 7th place.
Ay, Ading. Shout out. Kumusta? Ay, shout out kay Ading. Taga rito pala siya, taga Teka. Ay, good morning.
Product District Technolympics.
Hello.
Barangay Captain Carlito B. Antolin and Barangay Kagawad Brian Lorica.
Hey, hello idol. Morning, good morning. Thank you, thank you. So shout out natin yung mga estudyante ng kano. Mag-hi kayo mga idol. Hello. Susunod na kayo dyan idol. Susunod kayo dyan. Ay, sige, sige. Note muna tayo. Sige, shout out. Shout out mga idol.
Rubik's Cube District Mathematics Recreational Games Festival. Another medal donor. Another medal donor from Nancy Lorica. Another medal Lorenzo Del Rosario.
Ganon. Kapan kita dyan? Nagbugit tayo, ma'am.
Next we have
Hello, good morning. Idol, shout out. Mag-hi kayo. Nasa labas na ito. Pinap ko doon.
another medal donor. We have Gladys Marie Ero. We have also Ramsey Bangkit is also Prompt Peace Award. Artista Lexi May S. with honors. Celebration, 7th place in Science Spelling Bee, District Science Fair, 10th place in Project Preparation, District Technolympics,
Idol.
District Arts
Sige, Idol.
Festival
Salamat,
of
Idol.
Talents.
Thank you, thank you.
Next, we have Guaman
Oh, Idol.
District with
Samsung
honors.
Idol.
Medal donor, Barangay Captain Carlito Biantolin and Barangay Kagawad, Brian P. Lorica. Another medal donor, we have Lorena B. Bacligo. And sixth place in Hip Hop District Arts Festival of Talent. Ibasan Megayumi Joy L. with honors. Medal donor, Barangay Captain Carlito B. Antolin and Barangay Kagawad, Brian Lorica. Also outstanding in English.
Oh, Idol, diretso. Sasayaw ka?
Most flexible
Sige, sige.
award. 8th place in basic
bravo.
District Techno-Olympics. 3rd place in District Arts Festival of Talents. Cash gift coming from your beautiful Tita Aileen. And another cash gift coming from your anonymous donor. Next we have Lorica Lord Vincent T. with honors. Medal donor, Barangay Captain Carlito Biantolin and Barangay Kagawad, Brian Lorica. Another medal donor from Mary Grace Lorica. Another medal donor, Barangay Kagawad, Brian Lorica. Another medal donor, we have Judy Ann P. Lorica. Lord Vincent P. Lorica won 10th place in Damat Level 3 District Mathematics Professional Games Festival and 6th place in Hip Hop District Arts Festival of Talent.
Thank you, Idol. Thank you.
With honors, medal donor, Barangay Captain Carlito B. Antolin and Barangay Kagawad, Brian Lorica. Most Creative Award, 4th place in Junior Cheers and Yells, Girl Scout Week, and
Idol.
Scouting Month
Thank you, thank you.
celebration. She is also 6th place in Modulo Art and 9th place in Math Quiz B, District Mathematics Recreational Games Festival. Next, we have Quinto Rina Marie B. with honors. Medal donor, Barangay Captain Carlito Biantulin and Barangay Kagawad, Brian Lorica. Another medal donor from Mama Julian. Rina Marie Bitinto is also most active award. Fourth place in junior cheers and yells, girls scouting, scouting
Hindi idol.
competition
Ka,
in
hindi mo na,
Bitra.
hindi ka dapat napapagod lalo pag mahal mo ang ginagawa mo. Oo. Parang pag baniligaw ka ng babae, pag niligawan mo, hindi ka dapat napapagod para makasagot mo. No.
With honors, medal donor, Barangay Captain Carlito B. Antolin and Barangay Kagawad, Brian Lorica.
Ay? It hurts. Iskol muna idol, iskol muna, no?
Ako yung nag-post ko dun sa Facebook.
Iskol muna.
Yung nagganyan ka ba na idol?
Ha?
Nagganyan ka ba?
Mark Angelo is also most enthusiastic award.
We acknowledge the presence of Barangay Kagawad, Brian P. Lorica.
Hanap! Hanap! Dalilin!
We have Ricomano Altea B. with honors. Fourth place in junior cheers and yells.
Sagon Mike Ivan T. with honors. Medal donor, Barangay Captain Carlito B. Antolin and
Idol,
Barangay
congrats.
Kagawad, Brian
Congrats.
Lorica.
Congrats.
May we request
Congrats.
Barangay Kagawad, Brian Lorica to be with us on stage.
Idol, congrats.
Mike Ivan
Congrats.
is also most diligent award. 10th place in fruit farming, District Team Olympics.
Anong oras na ngayon?
Siguro pagkatapos ng elementary.
Panoorin ko yung
Siya sa panay doon, sa Asinggan.
Jana Chloe B. Outstanding in mathematics. We will request again Barangay Kagawad to please award the medal. Jana Chloe is also
Sa
Makadyo.
next year now.
Most
Gagraduate ka na.
hardworking award.
Idol, malapit lang. Pan lang, nasa 15 minutes.
Next we have Peralta Lady Faye E. Fourth place in junior cheers and yells and sixth place in hip hop. She is also Makatao Character Traits Award and Most Caring Award.
Most Cooperative Award, 4th place in Junior Chairs and Yales, Girl Scout Week and Scouting Month celebration.
Next we have Gamit Ellery Unit S. Makakalikasan, Most Delegate Award, 4th place in Junior Chairs and Yales, and 6th place in Hip Hop.
Actually, Princess Abigail O.
We acknowledge the presence of Dr. Daisy F. Velasco, Principal of Acope Elementary School, and also PESPA President. Welcome, ma'am.
Princess Abigail is Bring Heart Award, 4th place in Junior Chairs and Yales, 6th place in Hip Hop.
Okay, kayo karoon idol. Hey.
Good morning to everyone. I am Nicole Bagayan Kabudoy, the class advisor of kindergarten. Sir, ma'am, I have the honor to present. May I ask all the kinders to please stand up? Lahat ng kinders, tayo po. Kinder, tayo. Ayan. Sir, ma'am, I have the honor to present to you the 10 strong candidates for moving up. 4 of whom are girls and 6 are boys. They have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the K-12 basic education curriculum for kindergarten, prescribed by the Department of Education. Here they are waiting for your recommendation, ma'am, sir.
I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation of Salvacion Elementary School for school year 2024 to 2025, of whom 11 are males and 11 are females, a total of 22 graduating students. I hereby certify that they have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of the Bureau of Elementary Education of the K-12 curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education. May I request you, sir, to confirm that?
With the strong presentation of kindergarten and business advisor, Ms. Nicole B. Kabudoy and Ma'am Catherine L. Mayo, that the 10 candidates for moving up and 22 candidates for graduation have satisfactorily completed the minimum requirements prescribed for graduation under Bureau of Elementary Education under Department of Education. And in my capacity as the school head of Salvacion Elementary School, I do hereby to recommend for your acceptance, confirmation, and proclamation. Madam.
Good morning to one and all. With the strong presentation of the respective class advisor of kindergarten, Ms. Nicole Kabudoy, and of grade 6, Mrs. Catherine L. Mayo, and of course, with the profound recommendation of the head teacher 3 of this school,
Sir Richard Tamayo Casoreno. Congratulations to all. To our dear completers and graduates, congratulations for achieving this significant milestone in your life. Napaka-espesyal po ng araw na ito, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga graduates, because you have finally achieved one ladder of education and you will be entering another threshold, another ladder of education sometime few days from now. Mag-enroll na kayo. And in facing, pwede bang tumayo kayo at lapitan ng inyong mga magulang, yakapin ninyo sila. Sabihin ninyo, I love you, Mama, Papa. Sige, tingnan natin. Yakapin sila ng maigpit. Sige nga, tingnan kasi parang may naiiyak pa. Ikis nila si Mama ninyo, si Papa ninyo. Ayan. Wala kayo ngayon dito kung hindi dahil sa inyong mga minamahal na mga magulang. And of course, saya-saya nila. Of course, do not forget to give thanks to your teachers. Mag-thank you din kayo sa inyong mga teachers. Mag-thank you din kayo sa inyong school head. Mag-thank you din kayo sa mga barangay officials at mga PTA officials dahil lahat po sila may contribution para sa pag-improve ng school community namin. Congratulations po sa inyong lahat at mabuhay po ang Salvacion Elementary School.
Thank you so much, Ma'am, for your inspiring message.
And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the conferral of diplomas. Graduates, as your name is called, please come forward to receive your well-deserved diploma. This is a symbol of your academic achievement and a testament to your hard work and perseverance. Let us celebrate each graduate as they close this stage and embark on the next chapter of this journey.
Jeff Ivor D. Buckley. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Tony A. Buckley, recited. Dian R.J. P. Francia. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Roger P. Francia. Aaron Jose B. Lorita. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Reggie B. Lorita. John R. Migalion. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. John Mark D. Migalion. Migalion Markiel Yogo Sebastian. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Mark Jason D. Migalion. Christine May J. Bakig. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Christopher Bakig. Quincy Jackie I. Bakig. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Romulo Bakig Jr. Bernardino Jaida M. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Romar Bernardino. And last but not the least, Bon Shera Ann B. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Ronaldo Sinagosi AGM. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Aljon Sinagosi.
Antolin James Jedrick B. Parents, Mrs. Mafi B. Duamay. Lorica Joshua Juan A. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Ferdinand B. Lorica. Lorica Lord Vincent T. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Virgilio B. Lorica. Manganaan Elmer I. Jr. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Elmer C. Manganaan Sr. Par James Van P. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Suminador B. Par. Rakidan March Angelo B. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Anthony L. Rakidan. Ricumano Ronald A. Jr. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Ronald B. Ricumano Sr. Sabon Mike Ivan T. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Nestor F. Sabon. Antoine Princess Abigail O. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Bernard S. Antolin. Bautista Leximel S. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Felix S. Bautista. Daniel Elmi Junel S. Parents, Mrs. Cristina S. Bakil. Ibasa Nikayumi Joy L. Parents, Miss Cristina G. Niwan. Ilarde Stephanie I. Mrs. Federico R. Ilarde. Mamupit Jana
Idol,
Gloria.
congrats, congrats.
Mrs. Digna
Congrats.
Pitas.
Congrats, congrats. Congrats, Idol. Congrats, congrats. Salamat, Idol, salamat. Oh, congrats, congrats.
Timayon Krista R. Perez Jumil A. Mayor.
Idol. Oo.
Pirata
Picture tayo mamaya.
Perez
Oo.
Mr. and Mrs. CGB Piranta. Quinto Inamarin B.
Letos aja, letos.
Mrs.
Letos.
Rosemary O. Romano Altea V. Perez, Mr. and Mrs. Michael O.
Ah, Angelo.
Romano.
Ay, ikaw yun. Ay.
Salimutan.
Hello. Hello.
Thank you so much po, Dr. Daisy Velasco, for having time for us here. Thank you so much, ma'am. Bless po.
Let's now continue to the awarding of character traits and awards. We have Ezra Joy C. Monher, Teaching Aptitude Award, 4th place in Junior Cheers and Yells, Girls Track Week and Scouting Month Celebration, 8th place in Tie-Dye District Technolympics, and 6th place in Hip Hop District Arts Festival of Talent. Another medal donor from Jomalyn Monhe.
James Bond P. Parr,
James Bond.
Most Encouraging Person Award.
Yo. Ay, okay lang, idol. Para malabigan. Para malabigan. Oh, idol. Mag-iisang oras na.
Joshua
Oh.
Mark A. Lorica, Most Brave Award.
Ayun.
Ronald Ricumano Jr., Most Respectful Award.
Panoorin mo dito.
Daniel Mananahan Jr., Most Behave Award.
Ate Mau. Pagsak mo. Ay, pinisan mo. Kaya nanay. Idol.
Let's proceed to the Performance Award for Kindergarten and Achiever Award.
Jada M. Bernardino, Achiever, Kinder Curious Award.
By Theodore Roosevelt. As we move forward, remember to love often, dream big, and never give up on your dreams. Thank you and mabuhay. Muli, naimbag na bigat kanya tayo. Amen.
Thank you, James
Bibo,
Michael.
bibo.
And now, let's proceed to the Academic Excellence Award from
Hello.
grade 1 to grade
Hey, ma'am.
with honors. Medal donor, Barangay Captain Carlito Bantolin and Barangay Kagawad, Ryan T. Lorica. Our
So yun mga
Barangay
kateke, thank you sa
Kagawad,
mga
Eden
idol natin
Sagon.
dito and congrats. Congrats sa inyo mga idol. Galingan nyo sa susunod na kabanata. No? So, okay, ingat kayo. So yun, pauwi na tayo mga kateke. Shout out natin si George Talayan, yung mga residente ng Salvacion Elementary School. Dito sa Salvacion, yan, shout out sa kanilang lahat. Ayan. Sige po. Sige lang, thank you.
Ingat, ingat.
Sige po, sige po. And so, pauwi na tayo mga katiker. Hahabulin pa natin yung recognition din ni Pamangkin. So, shout out natin lahat ng residente dito sa Salvacion. Sa mga estudyante, teachers. Ayan. Shout out sa kanilang lahat. So, palabas na tayo dito sa may gate ng Salvacion Elementary School. Ayan, so congrats ulit sa mga shout out. Congrats ulit sa mga graduates, sa mga achievers dito sa Salvacion Elementary School, Rosales, Pangasinan, at congrats din po sa mga proud parents at saka lahat ng faculty members dito sa Salvacion Elementary School. Let's go na mga ka-taker, habol pa tayo sa recognition day. So bakbakan ulit mga ka-taker. Let's go. Kita-kits sa next vlog. Take care, boom.